How to fix Instagram verification not available. So in this video, I'm going to take you through 2 ways on how you can get Instagram verified, and if you're not being able to do that, how you can fix that. So for that, open up the Instagram app on your device and now tap on the profile icon. Now tap on the 3 lines at the top right corner of your screen and now tap on settings. Now here you want to tap on account and you're going to find the option of request verification. So tap on that option. Now this process is absolutely free and you're going to get the blue tick mark if your account gets verified. However, this only works if you fit into the criteria of being verified. So you have to have a real presence of public figures, celebrities, or you need to be a part of an organization or brands. So if you're a famous person or if you run an organization or brand and you want to get verified, then this step is for you. All you have to do is confirm authenticity, which is the first step. Then confirm your notability, which means you want to show that you are a public figure, celebrity, or brand. Then you need to add in the links. So once you do that, you want to tap on the submit button at the bottom of your screen. If you have done that and you still are not getting verified, that is because you do not match the criteria which is set by Instagram to get verified, which means maybe your work is not that notable or your identity is not authentic. So if that is the case, you want to make sure that you fit into the criteria set by Instagram. Now, even after setting everything up, you still are not getting verified. There is another way on how you can get verified. However, this process is not for free. So you will have to pay a certain amount to get verified. So over here, you can learn a bit more about the eligibility for Meta Verified on Instagram. So this one is for individual accounts and you have to be at least 18 years old in order to be verified. You need to have a public or private profile that's associated with your full name and aligns with naming standards. Now the next thing is you need to have 2-factor authentication enabled, and also you need to meet the minimum activity requirement, which means you cannot just get verified if you have created a new account just now. You need to do a couple of activities over there. You also need to have a government issued ID that matches the name on the profile, and lastly, you need to meet the terms of use and community guidelines of Instagram. So if you match all the eligibility for this, you can apply for a verification on Instagram. And basically, these are 2 ways on how you can get Instagram verification if it is not available to you till now. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.